Hey everyone, welcome to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. Today, we will go through the introduction to Tableau. Before we begin, I would like to tell you guys that we have daily updates on multiple technologies. If you are a tech geek interested to hunt the latest technological trends in the current IT industry, then consider getting subscribed to our YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you will be the first to get notified about any update from us. So without further ado, let's begin. The agenda for today's discussion is: we will learn what exactly is Tableau, followed by that we will learn the various versions of Tableau. Up next we will understand the features of Tableau. Later we will go to the major advantages and disadvantages of Tableau. Then we enter the next part where we get to know the companies desperately hunting for Tableau experts. And finally we will wind up by discussing the handsome salaries the biggest tech giants are ready to pay to the Tableau experts. So I hope I made myself clear with the agenda. Now let's begin with our first topic. So what is Tableau? So before we understand what exactly is Tableau, let us imagine a simple situation. Imagine that you're an office worker and you get some loads of data, maybe like millions of rows or billions of rows, and you are supposed to extract the insights of that particular data. So what do? You basically load that data into a database and try to write the SQL commands and then try to extract the insights of that particular data. So this kind of approach is basically time consuming and you get exhausted. Now, what if you had a tool which could write all the SQL commands for you in the background and all you had to do is just to drag and drop the data? Sounds interesting, right? So Tableau is just the same. All you have to do is just drag and drop the data and it will automatically write all the SQL commands you ever wanted to write on that particular data, and it will give you live data interactions and advices for the future. Now with this, let us understand the definition of Tableau. So basically Tableau is a business and analytical software tool developed in America. Tableau helps people to understand, visualize, and make data-driven decisions in real time with extreme agility and accuracy. Now with this, let us continue with the next topic, which will be about the various versions of Tableau. So at first, we have the Tableau Desktop. So Tableau Desktop is a data visualization application to facilitate you to examine virtually any kind of structured data and generate highly interactive, beautiful graphs, dashboards, and reports within minutes. Once a quick installation, you can tie to virtually any data source from spreadsheets to data warehouses and display information in several graphic perspectives. Designed to be easy to utilize, you'll be working more rapidly than ever before. Next, we have the Tableau Server. It is a business intelligence application that offers browser-based analytics anyone can utilize. It is a rapid-fire alternative to the slow pace of traditional business intelligence software. It is an online solution meant for sharing, distributing, and collaborating on content created in Tableau. What makes Tableau different? It is proposed to everyone. There is no scripting required, so everyone can grow to be an analytics expert. You can grow your deployment as you require it. Train online for free, find answers in minutes and not in months. That's the speciality of Tableau. Now followed by the Tableau Server, we have Tableau Online. So Tableau Online is a business intelligence application that offers browser-based analytics anyone can utilize. As discussed before, it is a rapid-fire alternative to slow-paced traditional business intelligence software. So Tableau Online is a secure cloud-based solution for sharing and collaborating on Tableau views and dashboards. Next up, we have the Tableau Public. So now I want to give you guys a serious heads up if you're a beginner in Tableau. Tableau Public is like an open source. Whatever the data you choose to work on using Tableau Public, it goes to public. So kind of like Tableau Public is not preferable if you want to work on your company's sensitive and confidential data. Tableau Public is a free software to facilitate anyone to get connected to a spreadsheet or a file and create interactive data visualizations for the web. It is delivered as a service that permits the user to be up to and running overnight. With Tableau Public, users can construct amazing interactive visuals and publish them quickly without the help of programmers or IT. It is designed for organizations to facilitate their websites with interactive data visualizations. There are higher limits on the size of data you can work with, and among other features, you can keep your underlying data hidden. And lastly, we have Tableau Reader. Tableau Reader is a free desktop application that you can use to open and interact with data visualizations built in Tableau Desktop. With Tableau Reader, you can filter, drill down, and discover humongous loads of data. Now moving ahead, we have the features of Tableau. So these are the few important features that you might want to consider. Those are the first one, robust security. Tableau takes special care of data and user security. It has a foolproof security-based authentication and permission systems for data connections and users access. Tableau also gives you the freedom to integrate with other security protocols such as Active Directory, Kerberos, etc. An important point to note here is that the Tableau practices low-level filtering, which helps in keeping the data secure. Followed by that, we have the collaboration and sharing feature. Tableau provides convenient options to collaborate with other users and instantly share data in the form of visualizations, sheets, dashboards, etc. in real time. It allows you to securely share data from various data sources such as on-premise, on-cloud, hybrid, etc. Instant and easy collaboration and data sharing helps in getting quick reviews or feedback on data, leading to a better overall analysis of it. Another extremely useful feature of Tableau is the use of time series and forecasting. Easy creation of trend lines and forecasting is possible due to Tableau's powerful backend and dynamic frontend. You can easily get data predictions such as a forecast or a trend line by simply selecting some options and drag and drop operations using your concerned fields. Next up, we have live and in-memory data. Tableau ensures connectivity with both live data sources and data extraction from external sources as in-memory data. This gives the user the flexibility to use the data from more than one type of data source without any restrictions. You can use data directly from data source by establishing live data connections, or keep that data in memory by extracting data from a data source as per their requirement. Tableau provides additional features to support data connectivity such as an automatic extract refreshes, notifying the user upon live connection fail, etc. Next, we have informative view and even the mobile view. One of the key features of Tableau, and the one that got its popularity, is its wide range of visualizations. In Tableau, you can make visualizations such as bar chart, pie chart, Gantt chart, bullet chart, motion chart, tree map, box plot, and many more. Like you name it, Tableau got it. You can select and create any kind of visualizations easily by selecting the visualization type from the Show Me tab. Apart from that, it is capable to represent data in mobile view as well. Tableau acknowledges the importance of mobile phones in today's world and provides the mobile versions of Tableau app. The next and the last feature is that being capable of accessing data from various kinds of data sources. Tableau offers a wide range of data source options where you can get connected and fetch data from data sources ranging from on-premise files, spreadsheets, relational databases, non-relational databases, online cloud data, data warehouses, and many more. So followed by the features, now we'll discuss about the advantages of Tableau. So following are the advantages of using Tableau. First one, it has remarkable visualization capabilities. Of course, the unparalleled capabilities of visualizing information is on top of the list of Tableau's software benefits. Followed by that, we have the ease of use. The tool's intuitive manner of creating graphics and a user-friendly interface allows non-developers to utilize the basic app's functionalities to the fullest. Users arrange raw data into catchy diagrams in a drag-and-drop way, which facilitates information analyzing and eliminates the need for the help of IT department and pattern building. Next, high performance. Apart from its high visualization functionality, users rates its overall performance as robust and reliable. The tool also operates fast on big data, which makes it powerful performance on an important point on the list of the advantages of Tableau. And next is the mobile friendliness. One of our best advantages out of the Tableau benefits is its efficient mobile application, which is available for both iOS and Android. It adds mobility to Tableau users and allows them to keep statistics at their fingertips, as well as supports their functionality that desktop and online versions have. And finally, we have the thriving community and forum. Tableau has a rich community. The number of Tableau fans who invest their expertise and skills in the community is increasing rapidly. Business users can beef up their knowledge on data processing and reporting and get many useful insights in this community. Also, forum visitors are ready to help settle any user issues and also share their experience. Next up, we have the disadvantages of Tableau. The first major disadvantage is the high cost. The Tableau is not the most expensive visualization software, especially compared to such business intelligence giants such as Oracle's and IBM solutions. All the same, the license is quite costly for small and medium companies, which makes it one of the considerable Tableau's disadvantages. Next is the inflexible pricing. Tableau's sales team is not flexible enough to provide case-by-case approach for their customers, ignoring the fact that each company has its own unique requirements for visualization tool package. The Tableau sales model requires clients to purchase and extend license from the start. As a result, a lot of companies that use Tableau arrive at the conclusion that they don't need all their licensed features. They would prefer to buying a set of requirements and scale them if necessary. Followed by that, the next disadvantage is poor after-sales support. On multiple message boards, users complain that Tableau software lacks proper after-sales maintenance. If customer has software performance problem, the support team does not settle the matter by investigating the problem's root and eliminating it. Next, we have the poor BI capability or the poor business intelligence capability. As previously mentioned, the tool provides best-in-class information visual interpretation. However, it lacks the functionality required for a fully fledged business intelligence tool such as large-scale reporting, the building of data tables, and statistic layouts. And lastly, the poor versioning. Only the recent Tableau versions support revision history, while for the older ones, software rolling back is impossible. Now, with the advantages and disadvantages discussed, let's move into the top companies hiring. The companies which are desperately looking for Tableau experts are Accenture, EY, PepsiCo, Deloitte, Wells Fargo, Capgemini, and many more. Now let's discuss the humongous and handsome salaries offered by these tech giants. So according to Glassdoor, the average salary of a Tableau expert in America is 82,000 grands, and for a beginner it is somewhere around $60,000 per annum, and at the highest rate it is $110,000 per annum. Similarly, the average salary of a Tableau expert in India is 5,06,000 per annum, and for a beginner it is somewhere around 3,60,000, and for a highly skilled, experienced Tableau expert, the salaries range from 8,75,000 per annum. And with that, we have come to an end of this video on Introduction to Tableau. I hope it was informative and interesting. If you have any questions about the topics covered in this video, please ask away in the comment section below. Our team of experts will be happy to solve all your queries. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.